Welcome back to Jeepin TV. Today we're going to be installing the Motor City light bar bracket. So to get started with this, you're going to need one tool in specific, and it is a 3/16 Allen wrench. And you're going to need to make sure you have these slots up here on your roof rack open. And you have to have the factory roof rack or this isn't going to work. So we're going to come up here. You're going to get your spacer plate. So your spacer plate has 2 holes up here and then 2 holes on the side, okay? So you're going to slide that just right into here. And you're going to get your spring plate, okay? So your spring plate has 2 holes here, which is what's going to go on the inside, and these 2 holes are going to click right here. Then you're going to grab the bolts and lock washers that are provided, and you're going to have to provide your own 3/16 Allen wrench. And you'll start to thread these. Alrighty, so once you get those installed, you're going to have the 2 more on the top. So we're going to grab this bar, and we're going to situate this bar up here on top of the rig. You're just going to line up the holes. You'll put your other 2 bolts inside. We're gonna go do the other side real quick. Now that we got this side done, we're going to go back over here and we're going to tighten that side. And that does it. That is how you install the Motor City Accessories aftermarket light bar mount. Okay, so up here you can mount anything from round pod lights, 6 to 7 inches or even smaller, or you can actually do a light bar in the front. There are mounts, this is a tube, so you just need to get tubular mounts and they'll bite onto it, and you can have the bar sticking out in the front. You can do the lights up on the top, or you can do the round lights actually sticking out from the front, which is what we're probably going to do on here. And in a separate video, we'll show you how to install the lights and actually do the wiring harness, since that's a lot more in depth, and we want to make sure that no vehicle fires could happen. We're going to do this the right way. And also, you'll be able to put a basket back up here. You'll use this rear mount back here, and you'll just have to put the braces going across right here in the front, which is going to create a little bit of weight for the actual front of the basket, but overall, as long as you don't load down too much in the front, you should be 100% fine. So thanks again for watching. Hope to see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and visit our Instagram and Facebook page at Jeepin TV. See you guys then.